Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu. We are a student of Revere Jalandhar from BTech in ECE department. Our team have conducted a survey on the topic of IoT in agriculture under the guidance of Mr. Navleen Singh Rekhi and our HOD Mrs. Neeru Malhotra. My team members are Saktivelu, Irfan Khan and Shankar. Let's start my survey report presentation. IoT in agriculture. We all know that India is an agriculture based country. It ranks second in the world and mostly dependent on monsoon. A smart agriculture is referred to the application of the IoT, utilization of various devices connected to each other. It is real working approach that simplifies agricultural process and makes them automated. IoT application to meet the needs of that growing population need agriculture applications in smart farming and precision farming through IoT will enable the industry to increase operational efficiency, lower costs, reduce waste and improve the quality of their yields. Crop water management, pest management, both are explained in next slide. Precision agriculture. Precision farming can be thought of as anything that makes farming practice more controlled and accurate. A key component is the use of IT and various items like sensors, control systems, robotics, autonomous vehicles, automated hardware, etc. Crop water management. Irrigation is most important for crops at present scenario due to increasing population, land and water resources are under enormous pressure, which emphasis on sustainable use of natural resources. Nearly 60% of water used in irrigation is wasted. This IoT system uses information from soil moisture sensor to irrigate soil, which helps to prevent over irrigation or under irrigation of soil. As a result, prevent crop damage. The farm owner can also monitor the process online through a website. Pest management. Basically, we know predators are harmful for crops and that result in huge loss to farmers. To prevent such situation, IoT based device PIR sensor can be used to detect the motion of predators. It can reduce damage done by predators. Next slide explained by Saktivelu.
I am explaining the IoT based equipment used in agriculture system. There are many equipment used in agriculture system like soil moisture, PIR sensor and drones. Soil moisture sensor sense the moisture level of soil and PIR sensor sense the movement of people, animal in our agriculture system. Do you know drones is also useful in agriculture system? I am explaining how it is useful. By the help of drone, we can know about the actual condition of crop without going physically. It is also useful in animal monitoring, building monitoring, etc. By the use of drones in agriculture, we can reduce the labor cost. And next topic is explained by my friend Shankar.
Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. All data can be collected with the help of installed sensor. Such data like weather condition, health condition of cattle cross, etc. And farmers can easily check if and analyze to make the high decision. When farmers up-to-date information collected, they can understand what situation will be in the future and they can predict some problems that may arise. Disadvantages. IoT smart farming continually requires internet connectivity. Rural person did not follow those criteria and the internet is slower. The IoT related equipment allow the farmers to understand the use of technology and to learn. After the advantages and disadvantages, there are some conclusion. The IoT agriculture are making it possible for ranchers and farmers to collect meaningful data. They must implement IoT solution in a proper manner. Next slide explained by Irfan.
Here are some survey results. First is, what are the main application domain of IoT in agriculture? As you can see that majority of the people that completed my questions, air, water, selected temperature is the main application domain, 30%. Second is the role of modern agriculture in implementing a smart agricultural IoT of solutions. Taking a closer look at the chart, organizational agriculture produce and consumers is the smart agriculture IoT with 40%. Third is what are the some examples of sensor that can be used in agriculture. Here 25% people agree with the solid moisture mostly used in agriculture.
Thanks for your valuable time. If you have any query, ask in the comment box.